Pasta.
Kasi super mahal.
Parang iklan ba? Oo, parang ganun.
Thank you po.
Yes, yes. Thank you.
Happy birthday! Kaya pala
Tikman nga natin.
Mami!
Sarap. Ang sarap. Dami. Eh, ba't hindi kasi kayo nagtatanong muna?
Minsan lang naman si Kuya mag-birthday. How's the cake, guys? Good? So good?
Binayaran nyo agad?
Hindi. Kinuha na niya eh. Ay, hindi namin alam yung presyo. Eh, sinabi niya, nalabas na yung cake.
Pauwi na kami, guys. Pauwi na kami. Pauwi
Sticker talaga nila.
Uy, pauwi na. Pauwi na kami. Baby nurse. We got our very own coffee. Coffee kami from Coffee Project. Sponsored by Kuya. What's your coffee? Java chip. Spanish latte. It's so tamis. My God. I don't like it. Tamis siya, guys. Hindi siya masarap. Coffee Project. Yeah. I hate Coffee Project. Pero kasi wala nang wala nang ibang